A is for avocado. A is for ambulance. Hey, you're doing awesome. Keep learning. Keep smiling. B.
Ano yan?
B is for ball.
Ball.
B is for bus. B is for bed.
Higaan. Galing ah.
B is for banana.
Banana. Very good.
B is for bicycle.
Bike.
B is for bat.
Bat. Very good.
C.
Ano yan?
C is for cat.
Meow.
C is for car.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
C
Car.
is for cup.
Baso?
C is for cow.
Oh. Ano yan? Ano yan?
C is for carrot.
Carrot.
C is for clock.
Clock. Very good.
Hey kids, I am Lucas. Can you laugh with me?
Ano yan? Ready. Very good.
D is for dog. D is for doll.
B.
D is for drum.
Ano yan? Drum.
D is for duck.
Ano yan? Duck.
D is for donkey.
Donkey.
D is for dolphin.
Oh, dolphin. Very good. E.
Is for elephant.
Ano yan? Sino yan?
E is for eye.
Saan yung eyes mo? Oh, very good. Oh,
Is
ano yun?
for egg. E is for ear.
Asan yung ear mo? Asan yung ear mo? Ear. Ay nga.
Is for eagle.